Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I am Chev. Make sure to subscribe down below. For today's video, I'll be styling this wig from WowAfrican.com, and as you guys can see, the wig is already pre-plucked for you. It's already bleached. Like, these type of wigs are perfect if you are just trying out wigs. If you're new to this whole wig styling thing, like, get you a pre-plucked bleached knot wig so you don't have to do much, and this prevents you from destroying your lace. Okay, so this wig is 18 inches long. It is 180% density, so it is full enough without looking too bulky. So what I'm trying to do is, even though it's straight, I wanted to give it some wave because I don't want to just do a straight look. Sometimes I feel like I'm a hit or miss with how a straight wig looks on me, so I'm trying to give it some waves with this one iron that I got out. Was it Walmart? You know what, I believe it was on Amazon that I got this one iron. I've had it for maybe 3 years now, and I'm also using some heat protectant. So if you have heat protectant, it will be wise to use that as well. This is 100% human hair. Like your real hair, you want to make sure that you protect it with heat, or from heat damage and all of that. So the hair is silky straight. As you guys can see, it looks so healthy. It looks so good. I'm loving how the parting is so natural as well. It's not tight, it's just basically perfect. So I'm just showing you guys how I tacked on my wig. If you watch my usual wig videos, I do a slightly different method than this one because I didn't want the hair at the very front, like the edges, to be too stiff. I wanted to have a laid down effect. I don't even know if I'm explaining that right, but yeah, this is just slightly different method than what I'm used to. Usually I'll put the freezing spray on top of the lace as opposed to under it, but either way your wig will be laid. So I just use a blow dryer for a couple of seconds on low heat to make sure that my wig, or the got to be freezing spray, is dried and your wig stays in place. And I prefer got to be freezing spray because even though you don't lay the lace on your actual edges, it still protects your edges compared to, or gentle on your edges compared to, a lot of other wig glues and all of that. So I just prefer the freezing spray. And I'm just using some mousse from Tresemme. You can use any type of mousse that you want. This is just to hold or give the frontal a little bit more of a slayage. I don't know, but I just like using the mousse, and it helps with flyaways and just letting your frontal look laid. So I decided against a center part. I'm going for a side part. So the great thing about these type of wigs that are already bleached, the knots already bleached and it's already pre-plucked, you can move the wig however you want. You can do a side part, center part, deep side part. You can put it in one because it is a 360 wig. You can do all of that. So to get it to lay as a side part, since it is originally a center part, I'm just taking a little bit of heat, like with the flat iron, to just lay it to one side. Then will be using this it's a flyaway tamer. You can also get that on the WowAfrican website to help with your flyaway. So I'm just taking a little bit of makeup, even though the knots are bleached, just to blend it, especially since I'm wearing foundation and makeup and all of that. I'm using a little bit of powder foundation on the lace just to give it that effortless scalp look. And this is how the hair is looking. I just did some gentle waves. I didn't want it to be just super straight. So the details for this wig will be down in the description box below, and also the link directly to the hair. And also you'll see a code, my personal code, that you can use to get a discount off your wig. I hope this tutorial was very helpful. I am absolutely feeling this silky straight wig. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn-chev. I'll see y'all in the next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.